Onshore and Offshore Software Development Model, a fair comparison. By Procoders. Should you look outside your borders for your software development talent? Thinking about hiring a remote IT team for your next development project? In today's digitally connected world, your website is more than just your company's calling card on the internet. It's your marketplace, your customer connection center, and for most companies, a central hub of the company for all your audiences. In every corner of the world, the demand for developers has never been greater. What are onshore and offshore software development models? Offshore software development model. When a company says it's offshoring, that means it's looking outside its company and outside its borders for at least a portion of its software development. These arrangements can vary widely. It could be as straightforward as hiring a single freelance developer from another country from a job matching site or from your own job listing. Or, companies often elect to hire their talent through an offshoring firm, which provides its own project management, talent procurement. Onshore software development model. In the difference between onshore and offshore software development models, what onshoring offers is distinctly different. Companies who onshore their IT talent are hiring additional programmers within their own country. This could be a minor hire of a single freelancer, or as complex as major staff augmentation using a nearby consulting firm. Companies that make this choice believe that staying within your own borders cuts down on language/cultural hassles. What is the difference between onshore and offshore software development models? Offshore model. When you consider the difference between onshore and offshore software development models, what most managers come down on the side of offshoring, because of the tremendous value proposition it offers. Less red tape. Because offshored staffers are consultants, you can circumvent complicated regulations that come with international hiring. Contract workers you no longer want or need can be released or replaced within 2 weeks to a month. Employer taxes are handled by your offshoring company. You pay for what you need when you need it for a fully flexible team experience. High quality. Many nations are doubling down on their efforts to grow their base of tech talent, offering free education that is attracting huge new numbers of students to this high demand profession. Ukraine is a good example. The country graduates 130,000 workers into IT, engineering, high-tech manufacturing and construction every year, making IT consulting a growing part of the country's GDP. Limits. Asynchronous work schedules. If several time zones separate you and your contractors, management issues can sometimes occur. Phone meetings during your work hours can be tricky. However, most IT offshoring companies are equipped to deal with this, shifting work hours slightly to help accommodate client phone conversations. Make sure this is something you discuss with firms you consider. Lost in translation. Not every IT consulting firm understands Western culture and work standards. You may find their paid holidays don't match up with yours, or run into strange government regulations or tax issues you're not used to encountering. Onshore model. In the debate about what the benefits of onshore versus offshore software development models can mean for your business, onshoring seems like a safer, easier choice. But as it turns out, there's more to it than that. Let's discuss the considerations that go into sourcing your IT consultants locally. Value. Meeting and working with consultants in person. Local IT consultants offer the accessibility of in-person meetings. In some instances, this can contribute to a faster, shallower learning curve, allowing them to learn your business far quicker. Coordinated work schedules. Shared business hours facilitate a closer working relationship and resolve issues in real time. Issues. Finding availability. With local consultants, it is well established that the demand for programmers outstrips supply in many countries. Not much cost savings. Yes, when you hire local IT consultants, you won't have the costs that come with hiring and onboarding an internal staff member. But you won't get the big savings you might experience working with lower-cost consultants overseas. You'll save yourself some onboarding headaches, but not nearly as much as you might hope. Conclusion. As an offshoring company ourselves, here at Procoders, we believe in the possibilities the model offers. We can help you enjoy the benefits of direct management, with the flexibility a remote team offers. Our dedicated team can work with you from week to week, or year to year if necessary. You get the resources you need, all on a standard monthly fee and a no-surprises, flexible contract. In the debate between onshoring versus offshoring software development, we can offer you the best of both models. Subscribe our channel and read more about onshore and offshore software development model of fair comparison at Procoder's blog.